Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Today I wanted to share one of our kits with you, which this is a great kit for after summer. All the things that you did during the summer or whatever. It's the Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit. As I told you in my workshop Wednesday this week, that I had a kit together while I was in California. So each of us had different kits. Mine was, all the other ladies pretty much had card kits. And I did kits that did not require any stamping. Since I was traveling, I didn't want to have to take inks. Most of them come with the inks that you're going to need and a block or whatever. But I wanted to do the kits that I didn't have to have any of that stuff on hand, just to make it easier. So my kit was this one, the Scenic, I already forgot the name of it, Scenic Route Travel Journal. So as you know, I was in California for 2 months. Then we drove on up to Yellowstone, so making a stop in Reno, Idaho, then on to Wyoming, Montana. So I started my kit. As you can see, I didn't decorate all the pages, but I'm gonna do a page for the different places that I went. I took a ton of pictures, and while I was in California, I went to Palm Springs and also Lake Tahoe camping. But look at these nice big pages. They come with pockets that you can put in. So mine is just basically started. I have not completed it, but I want to show you all the stuff that comes with it. So it comes with stickers, and then it has the different languages. These are the ones that I have not used. I think it's French, German, and not sure. So it comes in 4 different languages. Your stickers do. Comes with the instruction sheets. Oh, and look, I ended up with somebody's instructions. This was one of their kits that they put together. And it comes with like all of these stickers. This one I trimmed down, but you have all these different stickers that you can use. Here's the words in English that I've used. So there was some there, but I'm not done. Here's another set. Look at all these letters. So like I could put, Palm Springs, Yellowstone, whatever. There's this one, the smaller letters. So, and these stickers you can see I've used. But our kits are such a great resource for beginners. See, it came with the pockets. You just add your tear and tape and you could stick it on. I did not use this one. It has some die cuts that some of them I used. Some I have not. I will. It comes with the tear and tape. And I believe that is it, but that's a lot. And it has the instruction sheet, so you can create however you like. These are all customizable, is that a word? But you can see everything that it comes with. But check out our kits on the Stampin' Up website. You can go onto my website, lcdesigns1-Stampin'-Up.net, and just when you get onto the page, click on kits, and it'll show you all the different kits. But this is a fun one that I thought was great for after summer. Even your kids could put it together. Maybe their travels, maybe they flew to Disneyland or, whatever. Like I said, look at all these pages that I still have to decorate. I was busy talking that day that I really didn't put a whole lot together, but look at the little suitcases, sunglasses, travel, so I could put here like California, Palm Springs, Lake Tahoe, and then maybe on to home or something. But I added some pockets. We did travel by our truck because we were pulling our travel trailer. But again, such a cute project. And then it has the band that will close it. If you guys have any questions about anything, I just wanted to share this with you. You guys take care, and hopefully I'll see you this Wednesday for another project. Take care. Bye-bye.